Hello friends and welcome. I am Samantha of Krebs Keeper Crafts, and if you're new here, I show you how I make things. Subscribe for more. Today I am showing you how to assemble the 6th clue in the Cotton Cuts Fall 2021 Puzzle Mystery Quilt Olympia. This is the 6th video in the Olympia series, so if you missed the earlier videos, check out the playlist in the description down below. If you are not familiar with Cotton Cuts Puzzle Mystery Quilt, this is a 10-month-long monthly subscription box of pre-cut fabrics for making a mystery quilt. Each month's box contains all the fabric you need cut to the shapes you need to assemble that month's clue. I am making the small Shaun colorway, which is made up of all of these beautiful Northcott shimmer fabrics. If you're making a different colorway, that's okay. Just make sure to match your fabrics using your key. Let's go ahead and open up the bundle for this month. It looks like a quick month. We have a few triangles that are smaller of fabric F. I think that one's fabric F. And this one, I believe, is fabric G. Let's double check. Yes, fabric G. And then we also have a few larger triangles of fabric A. The first step is actually going to use all of our pieces to make 16 flying geese. The body of our geese will be these larger A triangles here, nose pointing up. And then in the top left corner, we will have our fabric G triangles. And the fabric F triangles will go in the top right. Let's go ahead and assemble these geese. And when we press, we are going to press our seams to the corner G and F fabrics. Our geese are done with all of our seams pressed away from the body of our geese to the corners. The next step is to assemble these geese into 4 rows of 4 geese each. All of their noses will be pointing the same direction in each row, and we will press our seams towards the F fabric corners. So that is to the left if all of our goose noses are pointing up in each row. So let's go ahead and sew these into 4 rows of 4 geese. Well, that was quick. Our month 6 clue is done. Let's label these rows and add them to our collection of completed units. Those are the instructions for month 6 of the Fall 2021 Puzzle Mystery Quilt Olympia from Cotton Cuts. Thank you to Cotton Cuts for providing the pre-cut fabric for this tutorial. If you want any more information about the Cotton Cuts Puzzle Mystery Quilt, check out the link in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to do the YouTubey things, thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next month for clue number 7. Thank you for hanging out with me during this series so far, and I will catch you later.